Do you toss and turn at night, struggle to fall asleep, or wake up groggy? In this video, you'll learn natural, science-backed tips to reset your sleep cycle. And your body runs on a 24-hour clock, the circadian rhythm. When it's out of sync, you feel tired, irritable, and foggy. But don't worry, we can reset it naturally. Get sunlight early. Within 30 minutes of waking up, expose your eyes to natural light. This tells your brain it's time to be alert, boosting mood and resetting your internal clock. Keep a consistent wake-up time, even on weekends. Consistency trains your body when to sleep and wake naturally. Create a calming wind-down routine. No screens, no stress. Sip herbal tea, read a book, or stretch gently to signal the brain it's bedtime. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Blue light from phones and TVs suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try night mode. Create the perfect sleep environment. Cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, a fan or white noise, and keep electronics away. When you honor your natural rhythms, your body rewards you with deep, restorative sleep. Wake up refreshed, energized, and ready for life. Start with one tip tonight. Your future self will thank you. For more wellness routines, subscribe, and sweet dreams.